Hello, my name's Andy and this is Making Your Model Aircraft in Lockdown. Just the other day I got given this by my friends David and Leslie. It is an Airfix starter set of a Red Arrows Gnat. As its name suggests, the Airfix starter set is a good place to start because, as you can see, it's got the glue and the paint you'll need, as well as a paintbrush. The starter set range also includes the Supermarine Spitfire from the Battle of Britain, the American P-51 Mustang, as well as the pre-war designed Gloster Gladiator, so there's plenty out there to choose from. So take a look online and see what you like the look of. They are priced at £9.99, so choose what you like the look of, and next time we'll have a look at the box, take a look at what's inside and take it along to the next step. Alright, see you later, bye.